Copenhagen Grooming versus Hairguard. In this video, I want to talk about both of these brands because both of these brands provide amazing products when it comes to your facial hair and when it comes to the hair on your head. And thus in this video, I want to compare both of these brands and see what's the best option for you. And thus with that said, let's get started. The first brand is Copenhagen Grooming, and when it comes to Copenhagen Grooming, the signature product is the Beard Growth Kit. In the Beard Growth Kit, you get yourself this 0.5mm Derma roller, this activator beard serum, this cleansing spray, and this beard comb. And when it comes to this brand, I've already in-depth reviewed it over the course of a long period. Initially, I checked the brand out, and then I did a 60-day review video, followed up by a 150-day review video. So I've experienced the ins and outs when it comes to the Copenhagen Grooming brand. And that's why they've provided me a 20% discount code, which I will have linked down below. So if you use the discount code junaid20, you'll get 20% of your purchase. And the brand that I'm going to compare with Copenhagen Grooming today is Hairguard. And they are mainly known for the Grow Band Pro. However, they're really starting to make waves in the hairspace market with their free Derma roller offer, which I will have linked down below, and their Maxodal hair growth stimulant. So both of these brands have the same purpose, to help you with your grooming game, help you get luscious long hair, and the same goes with your facial hair. And that's why now I want to compare the Derma rollers. So this is the Copenhagen Grooming's Derma roller. It's made with premium titanium needles for durability. The needle length is 0.5mm, ideal for beginners that want to take care of their beard and want to stimulate beard growth because it supports better product absorption and blood circulation. Compared to the Hairguard's Derma roller, and this is part of an exclusive offer that includes a free Hairguard Derma roller, so you can pretty much get this one for free. The needle length is 1mm for turbocharged hair growth, and it boosts the effectiveness of Maxodal for hair and beard growth. And when it comes to both of these Derma rollers, they work. But in my experience, when it comes to the Hairguard Derma roller, the 1mm is way more significant than the 0.5mm. If you're someone that has very sensitive skin or you're just starting out, I can understand that you may want to go for the Copenhagen Grooming Derma roller. But overall, in my experience, when it comes to the Hairguard Derma roller, it's way more potent because it really penetrates deep inside of my skin, and this really makes sure that you can stimulate, rejuvenate, and absorb the hair growth product. So overall, when it comes to the Derma rollers, I would definitely have to give it to Hairguard, because not only is this one for free if you use the exclusive free link in the description, but it is also way more potent in my experience. But nevertheless, if you're someone that's just starting out, or if you're someone that's very sensitive skin, you may want to opt in for 0.5mm. But in my experience, I prefer 1mm. And now I want to compare the Maxoxidil with the beard serum. When it comes to Copenhagen Grooming's beard growth serum, it contains scientifically backed ingredients like biotin and active ingredient Capilla longa. And in a 150 days clinical study, the activator has proven impressive results for beard growth when combined with the Beard Growth Kit. So 94% activated new facial hairs, 55% denser beard growth, and 10% improved hair thickness. So compared with the Hairguard's Maxoxidil anti-hair loss serum, it's a potent hair regrowth serum formulated with Maxoxidil. It's scientifically proven to stimulate hair follicles, it blocks DHT directly in the scalp, stimulates a nascent growth phase, increases individual hair strength thickness, and has a clinically enhanced alternative to minoxidil. Because if you check out the Maxoxidil page, which I will have linked down below, you'll truly understand how revolutionary this product is. Because everyone always seems to talk about minoxidil, everyone always talks about a beard serum, but no one talks about Maxoxidil. And when it comes to this bottle, all of the ingredients are based by clinical hair studies. And thus overall, when it comes to the beard serum versus the Maxoxidil, when it comes to the beard serum, it has more of a natural ingredients approach, whilst when it comes to the Maxoxidil, it has more of a clinical studies approach. Everything when it comes to this product is scientifically proven to make sure that you get results. So the winner between these two products has to be the Maxoxidil bottle from Hairguard. But overall, in my experience, whilst applying both of these products, when it comes to the beard serum, it leaves a nice silky texture when it comes to my skin and when it comes to my hair. And I've definitely seen that when it comes to using this product, that it left my hair follicles healthier. But when it comes to the Maxoxidil, every single time I apply this product to my skin, after using the 1mm Derma roller, it's a true game changer. It's extremely potent. I can generally feel it tingling inside of my skin, and it generally feels like that is giving my hair all of the nutritions that they need. So overall, what's my final verdict? What's my final conclusion? If you're someone that's just starting out when it comes to using a Derma roller and your skin is quite sensitive, then I wouldn't mind suggesting you to try out the Copenhagen Grooming. Because for some people it's a miss, for other people it seems to work. So you do get a beard growth kit in a nice little package like this with the 0.5mm Derma roller, beard serum, a cleanser, and a beard comb. Although I have to be honest, I've never used a beard comb. But for the majority of people, I would recommend you to go for Hairguard, because when it comes to the 1mm Derma roller, in my experience, it's way better than 0.5mm Derma rollers, and the Minoxidil is a true game changer. The only downside when it comes to this brand is that at the moment, they don't have a cleansing spray for the Derma roller. But other than that, in my opinion, for most individuals, Hairguard is the better alternative. Because not only are their products based on clinical studies, in my experience Hairguard seems to work better than Copenhagen Grooming. But I also got an exclusive free link for you guys, and this way you can get the Derma roller for free. All you have to do is to cover shipping. But if you decide to get the Minoxidil with it as well, you've got the perfect grooming regimen to really take care of your hair. And that's pretty much the end of this video. If you have any sort of suggestions or any sort of questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. So I hope it was informative and useful. If it was, please leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, please consider to the subscribe button and help your brother out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.